Hello! I have got a package. I ordered a ring light yesterday, and it got here, and it was, well, it had amazing different things that were in it. I opened it up, there was a brilliant tripod, and there was a little tripod, and there was a hot shoe, and there was all sorts of brilliant things. And then I plugged in the actual light, and it didn't work. So I've sent that back. I don't know whether I'm going to get the refund. I'm hoping it will, but I stuck it in the return thing, and it just about went in, so they might not be able to get it back out again. But I ordered a different one from a different company because I thought, well, that doesn't work. I'll try another one. This is slightly more expensive than the one that I got, but you know, I want a ring light because I'm going to do my show very soon and I need some sort of lighting. I'm using a window at the moment, but I can't get internet in this corner, and I'm going to need the internet, so I have to go to that corner, and there's no light in that corner. So this is a ring light, and I don't know what sort it is. I just bought the next one that was reasonably cheap, that had decent reviews. So here is, when I get into it, a lovely ring light. Da, 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 da. This is not a live stream because I thought because I can't get the internet. So this is a pre-recorded one, and this is just how it's going to have to be because that's it. It's oh, it's exactly the same as the one that I ordered, only more expensive. I'm hoping this works because that's disappointing. Hang on, this is exactly the same as the one that I ordered, except for more money. This is weird. Oh, I hope this works because it's going to be very it's got all the same things that the other one had, except it doesn't have the tripod. Okay. It's got two of these, but no tripod. This is not the same. This is not what I ordered at all. Hang on. It's not what... And it said it had two. It's almost exactly the same, but I suppose no, that's a bigger one. That's because it's got a thing that you can put a tablet on, but it had... Oh yeah, and there's two exactly the same phone ones. No, it's almost the same. I want to try it. It has got... No, it hasn't got as many tripods. Now, I'm going to just see whether this works. This is what this other one... This is exactly what the other one looked like. And now I'm a bit scared that this is not going to work as well. This is horribly scary and very annoying. And, you know, you think that looks different. That's a completely different product, and yet it's exactly the same. Let's see whether this works. Didn't come on. Oh no. It's not coming on. What have I done wrong? This is very disappointing. Well, if this one didn't come on either, what have I done wrong? Oh no, this is coming on. No, this is coming on. The other one did not come on. So I'm good, because the last one did not come on. Look at this. It's got all lights, all different coloured lights. Just trying to get this, because it's a little bit, whee! So this one does work. Phew! Because this is exactly the same, apart from the slightly fewer accessories and the slightly larger price tag. But it works, which is the important thing. So, woo! Woo! All the different colours. Unplug it a minute. Just turn it off. Ha ha ha! So yeah, so definitely, I was wondering then, I was like, oh, was this a secret to this that I missed? But no, definitely the other one was broken. But it's exactly the same generic, not really off-brand thing. So this is much better, much better. And it's not packaged in the same way. So there you go. So the reason it didn't work, this one. But see that light? This has actually got more things because this has actually got a music thing. So this is a better one. It's almost exactly the same, but this one seems to have some sort of weird music thing, which I don't really know what that is, but yeah, you can turn it on and off. Yay! La 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 la. Turn it. Woo! Flashy. Yeah, don't watch this if you've got some sort of... change the colour. Ooh! Look at all the colours. Ooh, bluish. Yellowish. Purplish. Yay! This works. Reddish. But it's supposed to go in front of me, so I'll see whether it... What colour do I want? It's gone off. Okay. Now it's gone off. What have I done wrong? Oh! Oh, red. Oh, multicoloured. Oh, look at that. What's that? Multicoloured again. Oh, like a rainbow. Whee! How do I make it go different? Mode. Oh! Normal. Normal mode. And then I can turn it down, or I can turn it up. Oh! So I'm going to test it out. Put it on. Okay, put the mode. Ooh, bright. Sort of yellowy. Different colour. Oh, different colour. Put it down. Put it up. And ooh, rainbow. And red. Green. Blue. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Red. Pink. Oh, rainbow again. And then it's got music mode here. La la la. Ooh ooh ah ah. You can sound what you sound like. Whoa whoa whoa. It responds to the music. Ah wicka bat 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 wee wah. Woo. If you've ever wondered what you sound like, that's what you look like when you. Wow, that's a light show of my voice. Whoa 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 whoa. Wow. Wee. Boing 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 boing. Blue. Ooh, that's really exciting, isn't it? Sort of. The things I can do with this. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn this off a second. Yeah. Oh no, I've not turned it off. What have I done? Yeah, I'm just going to have to just turn that off there. Right. So what else have I got? I've got a tripod. This is the same tripod. Yeah. Same tripod as the one that, so it's good because that was one of the things that I was like, oh, I regret sending that back even though it was broken because it had a great tripod. Now this one does not have the little tripod, but I'm using a little tripod for this, so I already got a little tripod. And this did not, I didn't have this in, so I can put my tablet on this one. So this has got different accessories. The hot shoe is so that you can put this on top of the tripod. Show you this, and then you can put a camera inside there. I've got a camera downstairs to demonstrate it. Oh no, I've got a camera here. What am I talking about? Yes, so you put this on here on the tripod. Ooh, there. Ah, I'm getting all twisted. Try not to get twisted. Ah, yeah, and then. Just unplug it. Maybe it's going to be easier if I do that. Yeah. So put that on here. Yeah, that's my elevator music while I'm waiting. Right. Okay. So there you got that. That's one thing. Yeah, with my light that actually works. Oh, thank goodness that this works, because I was so disappointed in that. Okay, so you got this there, more or less. All you've got to, oh, this is different, because in the other one there was just one thing. You can actually put, several different, this is better than the other one, except for the little lack of the tripod. So you've got the hot shoe here. Hot shoe shuffle. Da, 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 da. So what you do with the hot shoe is you silly me, of course, you put this on here. After you've taken the light off, to change it into something that you can put your camera on. Silly me. There you go. And then you can put the camera there. And difficult to do one-handed, but not impossible. There, so it's a tripod for a camera. But then I'm just going to have to set this up behind it. Different. So, you know, you can't do the two. That's why it's probably better to have two tripods. But I have got another tripod. So, look, I've got this. But this didn't come with it. It's not as good as the one that came with the other one. But then again, I didn't get this thing with the other one, and I didn't get this thing with the other one. So, and also this one works, which is obviously a thing. Anyway, this is my light, and there's the light, and I plug it back in again. see the beauty of the light, and then I'll be able to use it. Oh, where's the tripod? No. Got a remote control. Turn it on, and then I will do the mode. Ah, so bright! And then I can do RGB. Ooh, ah, E, ah, E, ah, ooh. Mode. Ha! Lovely. I'm so lit up. Oh, look at me. I'm so beautiful. La 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 la. So that's going to hopefully cause some more things, and I will work out how this is. I mean, I did work out how it was working before, and I know I can't quite. I know it's something simple, something very simple. I think there's some accessory missing or something. Anyway, it'll be fine. Anyway, thank you very much for looking at me talking about rubbish and being all lit up. Oh, there you go. Ah, the ring. It's not the ring. That would be worrying. All right, bye-bye.